the land.
Free 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 the land.
By any means necessary.
By any means necessary.
We gotta get crunk. Just like I got right here. The sign say, no justice, no money. No, we doing it different. We don't get no justice, you don't get no money. Hey, that's how I learned when we went to East Cobb that time. We shut it down. They turned on the commission out. They've been there for 12 years. They said, hey, bro, well, they ran up in the stores and said, we can't make no more money. That's what we gotta do. We shut these streets down. That's cool. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm with all that, whatever. But you gotta take it to another level. Yeah. You gotta go to all they malls. Yeah. But they making their money yet. Yeah. That's when you getting them. Yeah. See, that's why they trying to keep us in here. I'm telling you, they sitting back laughing in Cobb County. To Lennox Mall, Mall of Joy, they sitting back chilling like, yeah, we got them at Bay right now. No, bro, we ain't Bay. We just having a little fun. We finna go and buy this though. We finna take it to the streets. And we like I say, then when they lose that money, bro, oh, all of them gonna do. That's when that boy gonna come out the helicopter. He gonna come out the helicopter, Nathan Deal. We know he a Klan member. He gonna come out and say, hey, what y'all need, bro? Oh, we got love. Hey, first of all, you gonna fix the bluffs up. Y'all gonna fix the east side up. They gonna fix the south side up. Because I'm gonna tell y'all, you know what I do? I stay by the bluffs. I've seen some little boys that's about 8 years old sitting out eating on my porch. And I almost cried. Them little young boys told me, well, I said, what's up, man? They said, Haroon, man, we hungry. They said, we don't eat. I said, all fed. I'm gonna let y'all know. I'm letting y'all know, because people that's not from the hood, I'm gonna keep warning with you. When them kids ain't in school, they not eating, yo. Exactly. They ain't got no programs down the bluffs for them to go to and play with at night. They over there playing in abandoned buildings, man. I see little babies playing in abandoned buildings. What I do, I go get them and take them in my house, and I have them sell buttons and stuff. I get them to make money. That's why I told Cassine Reed them know me personally. They know me, believe me. And like I told him and that whole police department, like I told one last night, I'm gonna get y'all one by one. You know what I'm saying? We gotta take them dirty cops down. We gotta look at my email to nobody West End. They said my email still up. They shot another police officer and said he did it. So I'm letting y'all know now, these cops are dirty. They crooked. And I'm letting y'all know, I'm gonna keep y'all real, bro. If you got brothers, cousins, whatever on that bus, that's not your family no more. I'm gonna keep it real with you. They not one of us no more. I was talking to a black officer last night, and he said, I don't care if a black person get killed. He said, I don't care if a black person get killed. He said, I'm afraid of my life because a black person might shoot you. This wasn't a white cop, this was a black cop. And that uniform, they all the same color to me, man. They can say we brothers and all that, but they got a duty to do. Y'all already know. They got a duty to do, and they got a code they go back, and they sworn in, and believe me, they gonna go by that code.
That was a fucking statement.